So you see the perfect crispy and crunchy kachoris? Hello friends, this is Kritika. Welcome back to Happiness Multiplied. Today I am going to show you the recipe of Rajasthan famous pyaz ki kachori. It's crispy and crunchy from outside and filled with spicy onion filling. You can find the complete list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's prepare the dough first. Take 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon semolina or suji. Add some salt and oil. Mix well. Now make a soft dough from this by adding water little by little. It will take around 1/3 cup of water. The dough is ready now. Cover it with a cloth and rest it for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let us prepare the stuffing. Chop the onion to a very fine pieces. Now take a pan and dry roast sauf or fennel seeds, coriander seeds and jeera on a low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now put it inside a mixer grinder and make a coarse powder. We don't want a very fine powder, so do it slowly. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. When oil is hot, put the spiced powder. A pinch of hing and ginger. Saute it for a while. Now add green chilies, turmeric powder, red chili powder and some salt. Saute it. Now add the finely chopped onions. Fry on low flame for few minutes. Now add besan and mix well. Adding besan will absorb any moisture from the onion. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the garam masala. Mix it. Now add the boiled and mashed potatoes. This will give a nice binding to the mixture. Add some sugar. And lemon juice. Mix it well. Garnish it with finely chopped coriander. Now your masala is ready. Keep it aside to cool down. Now make small balls from the stuffing and keep it aside. This will make around 12 to 13 balls. Let us check the dough now. Knead it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Cut it into small portion. Now take each ball Make a circle from this and press it lightly with your hands. Extend it using your fingers. Leave the center slightly thick. You can also do this with the help of rolling pin or balun. Now put the filling and seal it like this. Again, press it lightly with your hands. Do the same for all kachoris. After this, heat oil in a deep frying pan. Before putting the kachoris, just make sure the oil is hot enough. To test it, just put a small portion of stuffing and check if it comes upward. That means the oil is hot. Now lower the flame and put the kachoris to the oil. Fry the kachoris on low to medium flame. Once it turns golden brown from one side, just flip it and repeat the same for the other side as well. It is done now. Take it out. Just fry all the kachoris in the same way. Your crispy and crunchy kachoris are ready to be served. Serve it hot with green chutney or tomato ketchup. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking, happiness multiplied.